check out this muscle guy right here. It's VC220 diesel generator. It's powerful, smart, and made for tough jobs. Inside, it's powered by Cummins engine and paired with Stanford alternator. So you can get rock solid power no matter the challenge. And guess what? With 1,700 liter fuel tank, this genset can run for over 50 hours without stopping. Perfect for rental companies. Needed to connect multi-pile tools? No problem. We've got 6 sockets options here, plug in and go. And here is the smart part. The DSE6120 controller with remote monitoring DSE890 control everything straight from your phone or laptop anytime, anywhere. And check out this color, custom green, just the way our clients want it. Looks tough, right? Whether it's for rental, factories, and construction sites, this VC220 is built to keep power on no matter what. So if you're looking for reliable, smart, and customizable power, this is it. DM or email us today. Let's power your next project together.